Meet the next generation self-empty robot. The Shark AI Robot Self-Empty XL. Its advanced AI laser navigation precisely cleans row by row, while avoiding objects day or night. And now, with Ultra Clean Mode, you can target and deep clean single rooms, high traffic zones, and specific spots. Ultra Clean Mode combines powerful suction with a multi-directional cleaning pattern to deep clean areas that need it most. The Shark AI Robot also features a bagless HEPA self-empty base that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens for up to 2 months. And everything is controlled by the app or your voice. This is where cleaning power meets cleaning intelligence.
My Shark Vertex cordless is an absolute lifesaver, and because we depend on it so much in my family, I want to make sure that it's always working at its best. It doesn't take much to get the most out of your Shark Vertex cordless. Here are a few tips to help maintain it. First, make sure you empty the dust cup after every use, or when it reaches the max fill line, which is indicated on the front of the dust cup. Next, we recommend removing and hand washing the filters. The HEPA filter located here should be washed annually, and the pre-motor filter here should be washed monthly. To clean them, rinse with running water. Don't wring out the fibers. You want to let them dry completely before inserting them back into the vacuum. Leaving them out on the counter to dry overnight usually does the trick. Next, clear any debris caught in the cyclone on top of the dust cup. It's also important to check the top compartment of your dust cup to ensure that no long hairs or debris have become caught, which can sometimes cause a reduction in suction. If your Shark Vertex feels like it's not cleaning or not picking up debris, or if the red indicator light on the floor nozzle turns on, there may be a blockage or clog. To check for a clog, look through the wand to see if anything is blocking airflow. Also check the handle, the hose, and floor nozzle. Turn the floor nozzle over and inspect the brush rolls. Sometimes clothing and itty-bitty socks can get caught up in the vacuum by accident. To access the brush rolls to clear any clogs you might find, use a coin to twist open the locks on the bottom of the nozzle. Remove any debris or blockages. With minimal maintenance, you can make sure your Shark Vertex cordless vacuum is always ready when you need it. With the Vertex cordless vacuum, Shark's got your whole home covered. Looking for more cleaning tips? Visit sharkclean.com.
Meet the Shark Rotator Liftaway, a 2-in-1 upright vacuum with a detachable pod for a whole home cleaning power on hard floors, carpets, and above the floor areas. Liftaway technology allows you to remove the pod so that you can easily clean your home. To activate Liftaway and detach the pod from the floor nozzle, simply press the Liftaway button on the bottom side of the pod underneath the accessory holder. To clean above floor surfaces in Liftaway mode, press the handle button to disconnect the handle from the wand. Next, attach the accessory of your choice to maximize cleaning. For extended reach, just press the wand button on the back of the pod to disconnect the wand. Next, attach an accessory to the wand to easily reach those hard-to-clean areas. With the Shark Rotator Liftaway, cleaning your whole home just got easier. For additional support, visit sharkclean.com. For additional accessories, visit sharkaccessories.com.